Hey, this is Grisha, otherwise known as Casplum96. I'm here to, show, it's 3rd of July, and since we're going to be showing a fireworks show tomorrow, we thought we'd ignite the fireworks we had today. So let's go check it out.
You want me to light it?
Yep.
Alright, watch out, cop.
I want to see it. Okay, we're going to watch as the father ignites. There's the flame. The fuse is ignited. And there we are. Our own living fireworks show. Look at all that smoke. Oh, God. God, Dad, there's a smoke cloud the size of one you see coming from GM. It's all over.